Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I wanted to talk a little bit today about Casa Cristina. And for those of you who have followed along, you know that Casa Cristina is a renovation project. It's an old building right near the piazza in Santa Domenica Talao. It's right on the main street leading to the piazza and just a few doors down from Nuncia's store, which is so exciting, and across from Antonello. And you know, it's just really well located and it's very accessible. In fact, I think we're the only place in Santa Domenica that really has accessibility to a handicapped room, which is very handy for me. In any case, we will be up and running April 1st. Now, there's a little history on this building that I just loved. It was, back in the day, it was owned by one of the families in Santa Domenica. After that, I guess it was owned by the Comune, because at one point I got this beautiful letter from one of our guys up in Santa Domenica Talao, one of the locals there, and she said, I have to tell you, the building that is Casa Cristina right now, she said, we used to use it as a schoolhouse, which we knew because Antonello went to school there and so did our mayor Alfredo. What we didn't know was there was a young girl in Santa Domenica, and she had a lot of trouble getting to the old schoolhouse because she was disabled. And what happened was the mayor at that time decided to change the location of the school from wherever it was to Casa Cristina. And guess what? Her name is Cristina, which just makes it, I just get chills thinking about it. Makes it just such a lovely story to such a beautiful building. Well, when we first got it, it needed a lot of love, as you can see. Some of the structural stuff was done, the stairway was in and that sort of thing, but it was a pretty crumbly ruin at that point. Although the terrace is really what sold us. The terrace was all set and done. It's just so gorgeous. Anyway, so over the years, we've been renovating it. It started before COVID, and then COVID hit and everything came to a halt. And then after COVID, everybody came over, and you know, we were kind of backlogged on renovations for a while because everybody bought at the same time, and there's only so many builders in Santa Domenica, and these were all our clients. So I said, okay, go do their renovations and we can wait a little bit. So they are getting caught up with the renovations and everything is underway. Many of them are coming off the line and looking really good, by the way. But they also got in and really worked on Casa Cristina, and they've got it almost done. Like I said, it's going to be ready on April 1st, and it's beautiful. We handpicked all of the tiles, all of the flooring. Antonello and Salvatore did some special surprises for us, like the arches that are made with handmade bricks and that kind of thing. We got a beautiful mural from Romeo over in Vietri sul Mare, a beautiful tile mural that we put in a little niche that was there. It's just stunning, you guys. I really can't even explain it to you. And I wish I could put up pictures, but I've been stuck inside for the last 2 months because it's very difficult for me to get around right now with this ankle thing. In any case, I'm hoping to get up there or get Pete up there or something soon. And we have to start ordering all the beds and everything, which we're doing now. And you know, all the things, even down to like the trash cans for the bathroom, they have to be right. They have to be perfect. They have to look a certain way to make it just a really special experience that we know you guys are looking for. So thank you, Gigi. So we could not be more excited. We are working on the booking site. Pete's been working on it like mad. However, if you want to book with us starting April 1st and going through the summer and possibly even into winter time, definitely send us an email and we will reserve your spot, and we'll have the booking site up very soon. So you guys, I could not be more excited. I hope you come visit us there. We'll see you soon.